We successfully dodged a typhoon here in Da Nang, and today is gonna be another typhoon. My birthday is gonna coming up tomorrow. We're gonna check in today in something special. We have the Fusion Hotel here, a resort, hotel and spa. We already stayed here one time, but this time it's gonna be something very, very special. I already checked in and we're gonna go take a buggy now to where we're gonna stay today. The last year I stayed already here one time. I did a very nice video. That's why I got invited again to try out their villas. And not any kind of villa, a special villa. Let me show you. The Fusion Resort is still one of my favorite hotels I've ever stayed in. And it is right between Hoi An and Da Nang. I mean, Hoi An is now Da Nang as well, but it is right between Da Nang city center or the beach and Hoi An Old Town. And since today is not the best weather, you definitely have to check out the video I did already here when it was good weather. This is the first pools here, with the breakfast over there, and the beach is right behind me. Okay guys, we made it. This is our villa. Look at this entrance alone. A zen area over there. Now let's see who's waiting for us there already.
Welcome to my crib.
Okay guys, so this is the beachfront villa here in the Fusion Resort. I can't believe it. But you know what? To give you the best picture, I'm gonna change to this real quick. And since I got my birthday tomorrow, I already got some nice gifts here. And we have a lot of drinks now. Let's check this out. How much Cola Zero, Heineken, Hooters,
And Corona!
Corona, and from my home country, from my home city in Germany, Zündorfer. All right, huge fridge. This is a big kitchen, guys. Beautiful DeLonghi toaster, coffee machine, even an oven. You even got an oven. But guys, before I show you the rooms, let's check out the outdoor area here. Wow. This is where we're gonna have the barbecue tomorrow. It is bad weather now, but the pool is still immaculate. And you can straight go out to the ocean. So we have a little bit of blue sky here, can't believe it. Today, this should be the time now. The typhoon Fengshen should be completely blasting over, but thankfully, thanks to her, Lady Buddha, it did not happen. Look at this beautiful. It's 5-bedroom villa here. And I'm gonna show you Marcus' room. I'm gonna show you my room upstairs. We got also a few friends coming over. Then tomorrow also for the food. Already preparing. Emma is definitely ready for a nap. This is the living room here. Of course, if you have not yet, it's time to subscribe, guys. I'm gonna post every single week again. I'm 36 now. So now the channel is back. So don't forget to like and subscribe right now. Okay guys, so this is the room of Marcus. He only got a backpack with him. Got a big TV over there. Look at this beautiful view to the ocean. So in case there would be a huge wave, Marcus would not be there anymore. But you know what? He was actually a rescue swimmer. A Baywatch guy.
So, you're talking about me?
Yeah?
I can rescue in any...
You were a Baywatch, right?
Yes.
So you can swim.
David Hasselhoff Jr.
Ah, I've been looking for... Okay, we got a bathtub over here. We got beautiful amenities. Nice. Toilet. Bum gun, check. No view to the ocean though. Okay, we got the shower over here. Now let's check out the other rooms in a speed walk because it's so much. It's so much, guys. This is Ralph. Hello, Ralph.
Hello, hello.
It's my friend from Germany here. And this is a guest bathroom. We have a twin bedroom. I'm not sure who's gonna stay here. Someone. And then we have basically 4 en-suites and 1 guest twin bedroom. So here you have a full bathtub and full bathroom. And I love this little feature. So you can have a bath and watch me reviewing hotels, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, now let's check out the master or the social semi-suite. And this is where Emma and I are gonna sleep. This is so nice. I've been here one time. Because we got another couch. Happy birthday, Mr. Semi. And look at this, you have a private balcony, guys. I can wake up here in the morning, stand here and scream good morning Vietnam. Dude, oh, look at this. I did not even see this. This is another seating area here. Wow. This is beautiful. This is amazing. And I think here I have another bathroom somewhere. Is the bathroom there?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. We got a closet.
It's so far from each other, right?
Yeah. So this is my wife. So this is the shower. We have the toilet over there. Definitely gonna go for a bath. We're also gonna have some spa treatment today. So let's go. Good morning from a little bit rainy, stormy Fusion, but look at what they have here at the pool. That's so cool. I never tried this, but the child in me is like very happy. Maybe I will try it here in the pool. But yeah, we're on the way to the breakfast area now, one of my favorite breakfasts. And yeah, we're gonna eat something there. For now, we're gonna check out the breakfast area and see what they have here. So what do I have here? I got a banh mi, I got salmon, I got eggs Benedict, banh hoi, bacon, mushrooms, fancy Japanese eggs. And they are very meaty here too. Nice. This is one of my favorite breakfast buffets here in town, definitely. We just arrived at the spa. Now we're gonna have a 15-minute treatment on the house, so it's gonna be good. The crazy thing about this whole spa area here, you have this very zen gym, and then you have like a yoga retreat sound thingy. Very nice. But yeah, let's check out the spa. It's 50 minutes, head, neck, whole head or something like this. So very good. Also, let me know, how does this view looks now? This is my new phone. It's very convenient to film like that. It's evening now on my birthday, and look how nice they prepared this whole villa for my birthday. So my friends are already here. We have a live stream going on here at the moment. This is our setup. I got some flowers. I got some wild Aussies here. And look at this beautiful dessert over here already. And they just set this up in the afternoon. And now we have a barbecue master over here who's barbecuing in this wind. Crazy. This is the barbecue, and this is what we get. We got Aussie lamb, we got some steaks, we got lobster, we got some oysters and squids. All right. We have here, this is the villa at night. It is very windy at the moment, but it looks beautiful. Look at this view, guys. This is amazing. And I was invited for the villa, but the food I paid myself, but I think it's still a great value. It's 2.5 million per person. And yeah, I think they come here and do everything for you. I think this is great catering here. So we have meats over here, and inside they actually prepare all the side dishes and everything and the starters. Beautiful. It is very windy. Thank you so much, Gamon, the grill master here. Okay. Now this is how it looks here. This is how we celebrate my birthday today. And if you have not yet, subscribe. And maybe I will also have live streams over here on this channel in English. Nice chicken salad here. We got some mushroom, garlic mushrooms. I'm not sure what this is, something very tasty. I think potatoes. So we have the sauces here. And since it's raining, they just pulled up the the umbrella. How good is that? They're so good. They're so good. And yeah, and now we're gonna have dinner here. Okay guys, it's the next day. What a great birthday we had. But now we're gonna check out the 2-bedroom villa here. And I think this is the perfect place for families here. You have your privacy, and I will show you the master bedroom for the parents. Oh, let's go and start right in the front. Marcus, are you ready?
I'm so ready because I can see something you can't right now.
Okay.
But let's start here in the living room.
Yeah.
And yeah, for
Beautiful kitchen area here.
this is something I really, really like because you have this, we say island, a kitchen island. I don't know if it's...
I think that's the right word,
It's
yeah.
the right word, yeah. Because you can gather up and drink stuff here with your family probably or your friends.
And we just tried it yesterday. We had the same setup with my birthday, and it was so nice.
That was really, really
We got
nice.
a big refrigerator here.
And look at this. There's so much space in. And also, it's a little welcome.
With Pocari Sweat, get your electrolytes, yeah.
And the soda.
No advertisement.
Yeah, no advertisement, of
You got
course.
a big TV over here, a nice lounger. Look at this.
Yeah. He's already chilling.
Gorgeous German man relaxing here. All right. Okay. Now let's check out the children room here. I think, or two blokes, two
Yeah.
friends.
It's just also when you have a little vacation, you also can use this. It's your friends, and your couple upstairs.
Or if your wife is beating you at night, you can also have a little bit of a
So
gap here.
you can escape for a while. So, but there's a really, really big television here. And look at the view from here, from the beds. It's just outside the little garden area where you also can sunbathing.
A big pool for that first 2-bedroom.
Yes.
villa. And look at what's going on upstairs. Oh my God, we have to go there.
Oh my gosh.
Four people can lay here. A nice outdoor seating here. It's raining at the moment, but if you're here on the right time of the year, everything will be fine. You got a scale, what you don't want to use.
And I can tell you, there's so much space.
Look at this. This I think for children.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah,
It's true. Or for maybe for a
rows.
very small girlfriend.
Yeah.
And then you have the security box.
Yep.
And something nice when you want to walk to the beach probably.
fashionable.
It's very nice.
You got some slippers over there.
Yeah. And a bathing soap.
Cool.
So but
All right, let's check out upstairs, guys. We have this nice paintings here.
Wow.
Nice wooden stairs.
Yeah.
And I think the wife is here now.
She's already chilling.
Okay.
But this is also very nice. Look at this. You have a little small floor with a lot of daylight. This is the view. Wow. Okay.
Lots of light,
It
guys.
could be a little bit better because, but it's just a lot of light. What's coming in here?
I don't even know where this is.
Maybe the other part, ocean.
Oh, look at this, Marcus. I think this is a walk-in closet. A huge walk-in closet.
Wow. But this is something you told me before. This is something you can also rent out for longer terms. Is that right?
Exactly.
So then it makes sense to have this kind of storage here.
Yeah. So those villas here is, of course, through Fusion Resort, where we're staying now. Wow. But also those villas you can rent for long term too.
Whoa.
We have to find a
Wow.
real estate guy for that.
But look at this. You can sit here and the television is just, you can move it. If you want to sit here, or you go back and Netflixing in the bed.
Oh, this is
what is a
amazing.
nice feature.
I think they did it so well here.
Very, very optimized. And it's also, okay, now maybe you can see your neighbors, but
Yeah, that's
it's
true.
a lot of daylight.
Yeah, and this is the Fusion, the main building. Okay, they have beautiful rooms up there. I did a video about that. You definitely have to check this out. I'm gonna link it down below. I did a full review, especially with blue sky, and when it looked very nice. Look at beautiful view here.
Yeah.
And look at this majestical bathroom here.
To be honest,
Huge.
even my hotel room is
not
not,
that
that big. So I wish I could live here in the bathroom.
Just the bathroom is as big as some hotel rooms in Da Nang.
This is crazy.
You get a shower over here, huge shower.
Yeah. Yeah, regular toilet. So
Toilet.
everybody knows it.
Bum gun, check.
And also, this looks so fancy.
And it smells so good, right?
This is cinnamon.
Oh no, this is what this
Oh, no,
body
this is
wash.
lemon. Yeah.
It
Oh.
it smells. Did you shower, bro? Did you shower?
Yeah.
So you did not smell it, huh?
Yeah, I smelled it. But you know what? At your birthday, that was so funny. I got a present too.
Oh, really?
The same perfume.
Yes.
But this is the lotion. This is cinnamon.
It's funny. Every present I got, you got too.
yeah.
It's just like we are twins now.
Yeah.
Okay, you even have bath salt here. It's very nice. So if you don't have anything for the bath, you have it here.
But
This is awesome.
it's just in case you are a smoker and it's raining, that could be your spot because they have it protected on the balcony
Yep. Or you have
or
tea.
balcony. But look at this, it's so nice. And in this direction,
Just the ocean.
is the ocean.
Yeah, and you
So-
can just walk to the ocean or get a buggy.
Yeah.
Lots of villas here. And yeah, it's very cozy here. For me, this type of villa would be, if I'm a wealthy family, that's the type of villa I want to live.
And also
Everything is so nice and modern.
the way you have to walk to the reception is so close.
Yeah.
It's just there.
That's true.
And also, you can always call these electric golf cars
Yes.
to pick you up and drive you around in this area.
Exactly.
This is so amazing.
Yeah.
I would love it.
Dude, this is amazing. You gotta check out the video I already did from the Fusion Resort Da Nang. Check it out here, or you know what? Check it out here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.